So if you've been following me for a while, you know that I love my K-Beauty products, and I was kindly gifted some C Beauty products. And so if you don't know what C Beauty is, that is Chinese beauty products, and I will drop the website in the captions, but let's see what they sent me. Oh my gosh, everything looks so cute. Look at this. Okay, the brand is Kevin & Coco. It looks like a range of different shades. Oh my gosh, I love the packaging on this stuff here I'm about to pull out. I actually don't know what it is, but it's a Kevin & Coco brand too. These are jelly highlighters. I actually can't wait to try these out. Kevin & Coco blush sticks. You can see the shades on those there. Kevin & Coco lip liner. All these C Beauty products are available on the Red website. The awesome thing is that it's also owned by a New Zealand woman who is half Chinese herself, and she has years of knowledge in the beauty industry, so she's specifically chosen products that she knows and trusts, and I'm excited to try these out. Check your TikTok page out and check your website out.